Hello guys, how are you? In today's video, I'll show you how to play YouTube videos in background or when your screen is off. You just need the Google Chrome to do that. Here is it, this icon. Let's open it. Let's play a video. You can see that now. If I go out, my music will stop. Okay, no music. But with my trick, I'll show you that even I go out and lock the screen, my music will keep playing. You see that? Wait. In the top right in your screen, you see 3 dots here. And let's go in this option, say desktop site. Let's click on it in the square space here. Okay, the page will be reload. Wait for it. It's reloading. Wait for it. The internet is a little bit weak. It's loading. Wait for it. I'm sorry guys. Okay, it's loading. Let's look for music. Like a music by Wendy. Like he's my my favorite Asian artist. Let's try it with this music. Wendy Ideal. Wait for it. Okay, let's click. It's loading.
Connais n'a pas dit comment me faire retrouver là. Comment me faire retrouver dans cette situation ça. Mais des fois dans la vie,
let's swap out.
on pense retrouver mon.
I'm now on the main screen. If I steer the notification bar, you see that Wendy Idea is playing. If I click, music is playing. Now I can even look my screen and my music will keep playing. You see that? My music is playing. I'm going back out and start. Thank you guys. If you appreciate the video, please give me a thumbs up, like, share it, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.